Come on, man.
Someone make me laugh really hard. Maybe whatever.
Oh, Jeffrey, you and I used to do this dance a lot.
Amy Winehouse was a virgin.
Yeah.
You're stupid. Make me laugh, bitch.
I'm so low.
Oh my god, they're coming.
The zombies are coming. The zombies are coming.
Shut up!
Wow, I got jinxed.
Oh, it's the
Sounds like Lucas.
Hey, what's that gun in his hand
Sounds like you're
right now?
having sex.
Oh yeah.
Hey, can you switch back this gun?
Here.
And what?
It's a boy.
No, if you switch back, it's gonna show you what gun.
I know exactly.
Alright, what's this gun in his hand?
Yeah.
Oh, check.
No, just shoot them
Yeah.
before they. Alright. Touch them. Dude, my grandma's right now.
I'm trying to get stuff out of my throat.
Still no, even though I'm holding it. It's not me.
Kids, don't smoke like me.
Okay.
Because your voice will end up like
And
this.
14.
And don't post this on YouTube because the police will find me.
Not.
Just to let you know I'm kidding.
There is a gun called M14. I'm just kidding.
Yes.
What the fuck?
Jeffrey, those zombies hate you.
Nicolas, would you like for me to kiss you? I can suck it out of your toe.
Foul language. I forbid you to play this.